Want a brighter smile? Teeth whitening can help. The DIY teeth whitening recipe. This recipe is a simple and natural way to whiten your teeth at home. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon baking soda, 2 tablespoons hydrogen peroxide, 3%. Small bowl. Cotton swabs or a soft bristled toothbrush. Instructions: 1. Mix the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide in the small bowl until they form a paste. 2. Dip a cotton swab or toothbrush into the paste and apply it to your teeth. 3. Gently brush your teeth for 2 minutes. 4. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. 5. Repeat once or twice a week. Tips: do not use this paste more than twice a week as it can be abrasive and irritate your gums. If you have sensitive teeth, you may want to use a less abrasive mixture such as 1/2 tablespoon baking soda and 1 tablespoon hydrogen peroxide. Be sure to brush your teeth gently with this paste as it can be abrasive. Avoid getting the paste on your gums as it can irritate them. If you experience any pain or discomfort, stop using the paste and see your dentist. What causes yellow teeth? Staining foods and drinks, coffee, tea, wine, smoking, poor oral hygiene, certain medications, age. For healthy teeth, brush twice daily, floss, limit staining foods, ditch smoking, and see your dentist regularly. A bright smile is a healthy smile. Like and subscribe for more dental tips. Disclaimer: consult your dentist for personalized advice.